everybody. Today we're going to be adding rain guards to my 2013 Toyota RAV4. This car is new to me. I'm just busy getting it ready to become a car camper, and I'm going to be taking a road trip north this fall to our cabin in the Yukon. On the way, I'm going to be stopping at all kinds of places that I've always wanted to stop at and have always been in too much of a rush to be able to stop at. There are 3 reasons why I'm going to add rain guards to my RAV4. The first reason is because of the rain. Obviously, that's what they're made for. You can leave your windows open about that much without worry of it getting wet inside. That means if you're car camping in a rainstorm, you can still leave the windows open just a bit to let some fresh air in. The second reason is because of safety. The rain guards make it difficult for anyone who might want to reach into your car because they can only reach this far, and that's it. The rain guards keep their hands from being able to get in any further. This is my 2004 Toyota Matrix, which I've been using as a car camper for the past year. You can see it has the rain guards on it already. I have never had a car that had the rain guards on it, but now I don't think I would want to be without them. They are such a great addition to a car, especially if you're going to use it as a car camper. I'll show you how much you can open the windows up with these rain guards on that still keeps you safe inside and doesn't allow anybody to reach in. This is one of the things I love about the Matrix is it doesn't have automatic windows, which is something that I'm really missing in the RAV4. There's a lot to be said about old technology. The window's open about 3 inches now, and I can reach my hand in, but that's as far as it'll go. The rain guard doesn't allow my hand to go in any further, so I can't reach the lock or anything that would be on the seat. So I can still leave my windows open and be safe inside, and all my possessions are safe inside too. I've never had to install these before. These were on the car already when we got it. The third reason is because of my cat, Gracie. Gracie is an indoor cat who only goes out on a leash. She loves to be outside, and if she has the opportunity to sneak out the window, she would take it. These rain guards allow me to open up the windows wider than I would be able to without them. She can't sneak out because the rain guards cover over the top part of the window that is open, and she can't stick her head out there. I feel much better with her in the car knowing that she is safe. The package that I ordered came with 2 sets of rain guards, 1 for each side, as well as 4 little alcohol wipes to clean off the area where you're going to be sticking these down. You can see the red tape is where there is the sticky stuff underneath, so we're going to peel those off. But first I'm going to look to make sure they're actually going to fit. This is one of the rear ones. It's shorter and straighter, and I think this is the one for the driver's side. Let's take a look. So this one has a little bit, which makes it really easy to put it in the right place. It's going to overlap this trim right here. So that fits right over there, and it fits right the way to the back. And yeah, looks like a good fit. I ordered the right ones. So let's bite the bullet and put this one on. I'm going to take one of the alcohol wipes and wipe where I'm going to be sticking it on, which is right along here, along the top of the window. Ooh, it's quite hot. And around the side here. Oh, that is really hot. The sun is just beaten down today. Even though it's already September, we're still getting some hot days here. So they're nice and clean, and now I can put this on. And I just cut my nails, so I don't have anything to pick it up with. There we go. So it'll all peeled off. So now I'm going to place it carefully where it belongs. Right on the edge here where the little dent is. The back. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to press it down. A good fit. Quite impressed with how well that fits. So far, it's working out. That is not the one for this side, obviously. This is the right one. And again, it has a little indentation here that fits around the trim right here. So it makes it easy to place them in the right spot. And checking to make sure that it all fits where it's supposed to. Yep, that looks good too. So we'll give it a good clean Try not to burn our fingers off. We live on a dirt road and have a gravel driveway, so we get quite a bit of dust on our vehicles. So I need to clean all of that off so there's good adhesion. Okay, oh, that's hot. Oh, it's amazing how hot that is. I'll leave a link down below in the description for the ones that I got. I read a few reviews, and the cheapest ones people said weren't great, and they wish they bought these ones. So I bought these ones. So we're gonna line that up again. Yeah. There we go. So there's the driver's side done, and I'm gonna go around the other side and do the passenger side. And I'm gonna do the back one at the same time. Not so hot on this side, which is good. Put the front one on first. Getting that edge right over here where it pops out a bit. Line it up with the top. Try not to let it stick before you need to. And there we go. There, that looks good. I'm liking it. I think the hardest thing about putting these on is getting the tape off. I'm gonna have to chase all these little red pieces of tape around the yard because it's a little bit breezy today and they're blowing around. So Amazon has a program. I don't know if you call it a program, but if you've ever bought anything for your car, you probably know about this already. You go to the automotive stuff, there'll be a place where you can enter your car's information. It helps you to find the right product for your make, model, year of car. So I was able to go on Amazon and enter in 2013 Toyota RAV4 XLE, and this is what it showed me would fit, and they fit perfectly. So Amazon nailed it. I think they look really good. The name on the rain guards is AVS. It's just kind of engraved in there. They look really nice. I'm quite happy with them, and they were super easy to install. The test, of course, will be to see how well they stay on. I am not leaving for my road trip for another couple of weeks. I'll be taking the car to town a couple of times before then, so if they fly off while I'm driving down the road, I'll let you know. But they look pretty good, and they seem to stick really well. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Bye!